This is what he told me to do. I told him, have you sit here on the couch, hang out in this room. I'll explain everything to you when we get out of here.
Like, how controlling are you? To where I can't even leave the room. What happened? What happened? Why the f am I not allowed out of the room? What happened? Why do they keep looking at you?
Why is she talking to the kid like that? And why is she snatching that blanket out of his or her hands? Well, I'm assuming that's a girl. Why she's trying to fold it? And officer, like, sir, make a move. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fusion. We are back on another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. How my people doing today? How you doing on this lovely day? You know, I gotta tap in with you guys about 2 or 3 times a day. That's how I check on you. You know what I'm saying? I look for you in the comment section. If you got a profile picture, I know when you haven't been in the comment section. I know when you go missing. Usually I think, okay, you're going through some things. You know what I'm saying? But if you already let me know that you you maybe have a ailment or disabled or whatever the case, I know you gotta go get yourself together. You know what I mean? But then the people that just in there lively and you go missing, I know you probably really like, I gotta take a break from social media type shit, which is okay. We know you coming back. I just hate to see you leave, you know what I'm saying? But welcome back to everybody that's been gone. Welcome back to everybody that doesn't run across the channel because YouTube is not pushing it the way it's supposed to. It's a YouTube thing. It's not my problem. And to everybody asking about, it's not even a lot of people. It's a couple people. Hey, Foosh, it's a lot of ads in these. I don't got nothing to do with it. You can really put more ads in your videos, but I don't touch it. Whatever YouTube doing is whatever time YouTube is on. I don't do nothing to the ads. I don't add extra ads in my things. I just upload it, hit monetize, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know how I solved that problem? Both my channels, I paid for the YouTube the premium. You know what I'm saying? So I don't need no ad. I don't want no ads. I got to play my shit all the way through. So that's how you fix it. Other than that, YouTube is going to do what they do. So there you go. We about to tap to a video that I got sent, though. Woman plays victim after terrorizing kids. You know we don't play about the kids. We don't play about the women. So we got to make sure our meat brews are straight when it comes to kids. So tap down the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down the comment section and let us know. Shout out to everybody that might have a 2 or 3 day break from their job, or just on some FMLA, or just relaxing, or on some I'm on my vacation vibes, you know what I'm saying? And I heard it's supposed to be a winter storm going down on the East Coast. You guys might get snowed in and this weekend. So don't worry, I'm gonna take care of you guys. Just because I heard that news, I'm gonna double up on the videos, because my people gonna be home sipping on the tea and the broth and the beef stews. It's only right I give them something to watch. So tap in this weekend. But let's go ahead and see what's going on with this with these kids though.
Anne County 911, do you need police, fire, or ambulance?
I'd like to have officers to my room at the Embassy Suites, room 301.
All right, tell me exactly what happened.
Woman keep getting drunk, and she left the room, left her children with me. I told her not to, I'm disabled. She comes back in the room, hearing me talk to my children about what she did and how irresponsible it was, so she spits in my face.
And who is this woman to you?
A friend.
Is this like a girlfriend or ex-girlfriend, sir?
Ex-girlfriend.
How many minutes ago did this happen?
This just happened, ma'am.
Where's the person now?
Right here in the room.
No, I don't want, no.
I need to get the person's description. What is her race?
She's white, ma'am.
How old is she?
32.
What is she wearing?
A white t-shirt, some pajama pants. She's extremely drunk.
What's her name?
Marilyn. She did this in front of my children.
How old is each child?
My daughter is 9 and my son is 7.
Are there any other children?
Yes, I have 3 children.
How old are they?
Oldest is 11 and the youngest is, I believe, 7.
All right, and officer will dispatch as soon as possible and call us back if anything changes or if you have any further information, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Shout out to the call taker. She was very proficient in her question asking.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. What we got going on tonight?
Too much alcohol, screaming, mushing me in my face, spitting in my face. My children are sitting here. She doesn't know how to control herself. And
You guys live together?
no,
All these, your guys' children in college?
two here and the one in the shower was her child, her children. These two are mine, so I have full custody of my children. Spitting in my face and mushing me in my face. My children said that if I did that to her, we already know where I'd be headed or already be. It's not fair.
What's her name?
Now,
Do you have an ID, man?
Shut the door. Why you let her shut the door?
I can't do anything if he stole my credit card. But I can go to my bank and have them make me a card. But I can't do anything about that now because he stole it. So if it's not there, I can't physically.
How long are you guys supposed to stay here for? Just tonight?
checking out tomorrow morning.
Do you want to complete our domestic forms?
Yeah.
Bring up some forms that can come up, please.
Come on, baby, come on.
The embassy suite, that sounds kind of expensive. I ain't gonna lie. I never stayed in one.
Let me talk to you a little bit about what's going on. So, ordinarily, if we get a call domestic, there's certain conditions that have to apply. If you guys live together, if there's physical injuries like visible, bloody nose, you're sitting there with scratches and stuff like that, in that case, we make an arrest on the spot.
What's going on, everybody? How's your guys' night? You guys here on a trip or?
The worst trip imaginable.
If you guys aren't residing together, if there's no visible injuries, obviously she spit in your face, so there's no visible. What we ordinarily do in that case is do an application for charges. However, she does have that active protective order, so I'm waiting on the conditions of that now. If it says, shall not threaten, shall not harass, shall not assault, if that's the case, that in and of itself violates the court order. So I'll try to do it so it ain't in front of the kids. You guys get some peace and quiet here tonight. So what I'm going to do is get you, while we're waiting on that, to fill this out here real quick.
Cody, I still need my hat from dinner. Please.
So we'll discuss all that. We're not going to get into that at the moment. So just give us.
What? For what?
Okay. We can discuss that part later.
No, why?
We're not worried about
No,
money for dinner
he
and stuff
said that
like
he was going to pay half for the dinner. I just paid for
Something we
7
can deal with
children.
later on. Okay.
No, why?
That's not important at the moment.
That is to me because I have children to feed. He's rich, I'm not.
Well, we can deal with that shortly. We're going to deal with
No,
one thing at a time.
when you guys aren't around.
Okay. We're going to be here.
No,
Okay.
I will watch.
Okay. We're not going to do that. Have a seat back in there a sec.
That's crazy. Y'all, come on. For what?
I'm just doing what he told me to do. I told him, have you sit here on the couch, hang out in this room. I'll explain everything to you when we get out here.
Like, how controlling are you? To where I can't even leave the room. What happened? What happened? Why the f am I not allowed out of the room? What happened? Why do they keep looking at you?
Why is she talking to the kid like that? And why is she snatching that blanket out of his or her hands? Well, I'm assuming that's a girl. Why she's trying to fold it? And officer, like, sir, make a move. Like, you clearly see she's out of it. Come on, Brody.
Severe vasomotor symptoms due to menopause.
It's the wrong black guy somewhere. Exactly why.
Whoa.
We're trying to reserve a room because we're not going back to see because he's abusive. So can we please leave?
As soon as we get done, we'll be out of here. Right?
That gives me no information. I need you to please go talk to your partner and figure out when we can leave.
As soon as I find out, you will know.
Okay. Can we come talk to you outside of your sec?
Me?
Yes.
For what?
Because I want to talk to you a second about what's going on with me.
I don't trust him.
You were just asking me a bunch of
Fine,
questions.
okay,
These
so-
are the answers.
Soraya, come on.
Hey, children don't need to get through this.
What am I going to jail?
Yeah. You know you have an active. I've got no option, so you're going to go with us for a couple hours. I don't want to do this in front of them. Okay?
Is there anything you need inside? You want a jacket, a hoodie, kind of thing that I can grab for you real quick?
It's only going to be a couple hours.
Come on, don't start playing the victim. Cut it
I
out.
didn't do anything.
Well, he's saying you spit in his face.
No, I didn't. I was at the front desk. You can ask the people. I was grabbing a drink because he's been trying to fight with me all weekend.
Do you need anything else out of the room?
No, yeah.
Do you want a hoodie or a jacket or anything?
I don't want my children around him. I don't want my children around him. I don't want my children with him.
Man, shut up. You was cool with your children to be around him before you started acting like a fool. Now you're going to jail. You don't want your kids around him because you think you about to get out of going jail, and it ain't happened. You have an active warrant, goofball. You shouldn't have got so drunkery. And I believe him when you say you spit in his face. He's nice and calm. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to turn it up, snatch the shit from the kids. Cut it out. Take her goofy ass on.
You're gonna have to call somebody.
They can go to CPS and I will fight to get them back. I don't want them with him. He's abusive. He's a f***ed up person.
Is he the father of it?
No, he's not.
I'm just asking.
He's not. I don't know. He's not. I don't want him around my children.
Do you have a family members in the area?
I don't. I don't have any family. I don't have anything.
I mean, you trusted him enough here that you're.
No, I didn't.
Thank you.
I was here with his children while he was outside. I watch his children.
Where did all the alcohol come from tonight? At the bar? Or?
The bar from up
You're at
front.
the
No,
bar,
honestly,
where are they
honestly, the only way the alcohol came, it was from up front. But literally, as soon as the alcohol came into the picture, he started being an asshole.
My point is, while you're downstairs with the alcohol, where were they at?
They were
In there with him?
I only walked away to be away from
didn't mind
him.
at that point.
No.
Okay.
First of all, you can give me a breathalyzer test. I don't give a f.
I can tell you got a little alcohol.
Okay, and did I lie? I'm an adult.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're just making a point here with the kid.
But I don't want my children here with him. He's abusive. I don't want my children here with him. I would
You're gonna have to
no.
call somebody to come and get them. Okay. You don't need anything else out of the room.
You got your
ID and all that with you?
No, my children. I'm not leaving my children with him. I'm not.
So.
Goodbye.
You,
Goodbye. You don't
I'm
run
not
the
leaving
show.
my children with him. I'm not leaving my children with him. I'm not
Bye.
leaving my children with him. I have an option. I'm not leaving my children with him. What did I do?
Violate the court order. Explain that to me.
I didn't know there was a court order. It could have been any white girl he was with.
I'm saying.
No, it could have been any white girl. No, I don't want. No, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I don't want my children.
Me like he's up
I'm
so they
not-
don't go crush
I
down
don't
your
want
ass.
my children leaving. I don't want them with him. I do not want my children with him. I do not.
CPS isn't gonna just come pick him up because you got locked.
Well, I don't care. I don't want my children with him. I do not want. You cannot make
Hey,
me.
come on.
I don't want my children with him.
Hold on.
I don't want my children with him. I don't trust him.
Stop.
I don't want my children
Do you
with
want your
him.
kids to see this, really?
Yes, I do. I don't want my children with him. He's a piece of shit. He's a piece of shit. Stop! No! I don't want my children with him.
You're gonna end up getting more charges.
I don't care. I don't want my children with him. Stop. He's
taking
breaking
them
my
out.
fucking arms.
Well, then walk.
No, I'm not leaving my children. You're a piece of shit. I'm pressing charges. I'm pressing charges. I'm pressing charges. I'm pressing charges. I've screamed. You guys seen that? I screamed. I didn't want my children with them. I screamed. I screamed it.
Shut up. Now, you know none of us believe nothing. Like, she's the turn-up. And she's proven exactly the point. You goofball. You trying to make something out of nothing, dummy. And yes, you don't deserve your kids. They need to go to CPS and go to somewhere better. And you're going to have to fight for them. And good luck with that. Good luck with that. You got a protective order against you. We got dash cam footage of you acting stupid. Drunk. I don't trust him, but I trust him enough to watch the kids while I go get me a couple drinkeries. You goofball. You don't deserve your kids. I'm pretty sure he'll take more and better care of your kids than you could. Now, if CPS come and take them, that's on you. And you probably won't get them back for a while. You putting your kids through this. You are. Yeah, you want your... Man, do you want your kids to see you act? Yes, I do. Yeah, that means you shouldn't be a mom. That means you don't care about their psychological nothing. You don't care about their mental nothing. That means you don't care that they're going to see this and then it's going to follow them when they're older and they're going to have problems and they're going to wonder where it came from. It came from my childhood trauma. Man, this shit blows my brains, bro.
Don't.
Just keep talking.
Please don't. You're breaking my fucking arms.
Stop dipping down.
I didn't do anything. I'm dipping down because you're hurting me.
No, it's not.
You're hurting me.
You're dipping down. Stop.
No, I'm dipping down because you're hurting me.
No, it's not moving. If you stand still, it does not hurt.
Let go of me.
Can we not make a scene in the lobby, please?
No, I'm making a big scene.
We'll just get a charge.
Yep. I don't want him touching me. Get off of me. What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
You guys. Ow! I'm so pressing charges. I'm pressing charges. I'm pressing charges. I hope you're happy. You're a
Come on, have a seat.
Don't touch me. Ow!
Why am I in the front seat? Why is she in the front seat?
No, I'm good. Appreciate it, man.
Why is she in the
My
front?
children's stuck there with him and he treats them like shit. I am suing the out of you guys. I am suing you guys for every f***ing penny your f***ing bullshit state has got.
You live in the same state.
Dummy.
Yeah, and none of it is worth any f***ing thing. You let them black f***ing just beat the shit out of me and you guys
You let
taking me
the
to
what,
jail.
bitch? What did you just say?
You live in the same state.
Yeah, and none of it is worth any f***ing thing. You let them black f***ing just
You let them black fucking man just. So, you want to lay up with a black man, have kids with a black man, but as soon as you act belligerent, you want to blame everything on the black man.
beat the shit out of me and you guys taking me to jail. I said I did not want him with my children. He's abusive.
You didn't care about coming here to
Man,
the
f*** you, because I didn't have a choice. You didn't look into all the times the cops have been called. You didn't look into any of it.
And you're still with
You
them.
just can't, yeah.
So obviously you're not that concerned about your kids.
Yep.
Step right on this way up to that door to the right.
Where's my other shoe?
At the hotel where you kicked it off on the third floor?
I didn't kick anything off.
It's on the third floor of your hotel. You kicked it off when you didn't want to go, when you tried to kick the wall.
When I tried to kick the wall because I didn't want my children to be
That's where your
unsafe.
shoe is.
Where I didn't want my children to be unsafe. Don't touch me. That's why your wife you wonder why you're f***ing collarless.
To the right. There.
Don't tell me where to go.
Turn around. Let go.
Is somebody else, excuse me, is somebody else able to be with me? I don't want him touching me.
Sit.
No, I don't want you touching me. I don't want you touching me. I don't want you touching me.
Sit down.
So, can somebody else touch me? I don't want him touching me. I don't want him touching me. Okay, well, I'm gonna pat you down. Stand face this wall for me. That would.
Some people don't fight fair in relationships, they fight dirty. And the fastest way to expose that, well, watch what happens when they lose control of the narrative. Because the moment she realized police saw her as the problem, she didn't take accountability, she went straight to the lowest weapon she had, race, insults, and blame shifting. That's what this clip is, not fear, not confusion. It's an adult trying to rewrite reality in real time because the attention wasn't on her terms anymore. She wasn't the victim here, she was the problem, but the second officer stepped in, she tried to flip it. He's the problem, he's the danger, and he's the reason. That's what the racial jab was about, reaching for whatever hurts most in the moment and doing her best to try and manipulate to get out of being arrested. Even the kids became a shield, not concern, just leverage, because manipulative people don't protect people, they use people. And trust me, those officers knew that. But I've learned when the cuffs go on and those lies start flowing, let's not panic, that's practice.
This suspect, Marilyn, was charged with second-degree assault on her ex-boyfriend, violation of her protective order, disorderly conduct, disorderly intoxication, failure to obey commands, and resisting arrest. Because she violated the judge's prior court order, she was now held without bail. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
It ain't nothing else for me to say because he pretty much at the end of the video said exactly what I was thinking of what we all knew. Try to flip the script. You know what I'm saying? Try to use the racial. We ain't no dummies. We've been around the block. We've been in this world. We've seen it all. There's really nothing else to say, man. Y'all tag down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Real conversations. We can have those. This shit right here be pissing me off. Like,